Supplies. And how much is that supplies? Okay, what's the next asset they give us? PPNs, how much is that? How much? Okay, get your calculators out. Add up your assets. If you don't have a calculator, there's one ahead of us here. All right, total assets. Add up all the assets, we say that we have 15,933. Okay, we're going to do the same situation over here for liabilities and owner's equity. Now, the way they put this is they do horizontally. We're going to do it vertically. Okay, same difference. So up here, we're going to label this side assets. Okay, we listed our assets, we come up with total assets. We're going to keep ourselves organized. Now let's list this as liabilities. You can abbreviate. How many liabilities do they give us in working together on page 31? One. Who is it? And how much is Alvarez? $250. What's our total liabilities? Put a line there so that I know that's an equals. We'll talk about equal lines in just a moment. Okay, and then what owner's equity do I have?
15,680.
And who is that?
Joel Mary Capital.
So we'll do Joel Capital, and then it was 15,683. Okay, what does the accounting equation say? Right. So what do we do with liabilities and owner's equity? Add them. We add them together. So let's add our total liabilities to our capital account. And right now we only have one capital. You don't have to total it out. But in future references, when we get more than one owner, you're going to have more than one capital, so you'll have to do total capital. So I'm going to write down here total liabilities and owner's equity. What does that? Put your equals line so I know what's going on. If you want to put a plus here, you can. You're going to add the 250, the total liabilities to the total capital. What do you get? Oh wow, I think I've seen that number before. Where have I seen 15,933? Okay, isn't this what this says? Assets must equal this side, left side must equal right side. We're not talking debits and credits here, we're talking left side, right side. If they equal, put a double line underneath of them. That in accounting means that our assets are balanced to our left side's balanced to our right side, or our debits are balanced to our credits. Whenever I ask you to double rule, I need you to put double lines under here. Okay, when I grade your stuff, just so you know, I'll look just at the totals and your format, of course. But we're not going to worry with the format right now. We'll worry with that later. Okay, do you understand that our assets must equal our liabilities and our capital together? Owner's equity. Okay, let's do page 31. You can pause. You can do that one on your own. Again, do it just like I listed it up here. You can keep it in your notes. I'm not going to take a grade on this one. Do you want him to pause this? Yeah. Okay, Cole, what was your total assets?
8,100.
8,150. Elena, what's your total liabilities? 230,000. What's our total owner's equity, Tiffany? 5,000. Okay. What is our total liabilities plus our total owner's equity? our left side equals our right side. Technically, this is a balance sheet. We'll do the formal way later. What I want you to do for your assignment is, and let me give you your instructions. Okay, I would like for you to go ahead and complete application 2-2. Hey, Lindsay's, if you guys didn't do 2-1, you need to do that. Okay, in application 2-2, you have 12 transactions. I want you to do the T accounts, so let's do the first one together. Had equipment repaired and paid $50 cash. We got cash and repairs expense. And we paid $50, so cash is going to be credited. Repairs expense, expenses are always debited. That's how I want you to do transaction 1. You can label it with any date that you want, so you could do August 1. Okay? That's for application 2-2. And do that same thing for application 2-4. Okay? Then on application 2-3, App 2-3, I want you to do it just like we just did in our notes. Okay? Any questions? It's homework if it needs to be, but it shouldn't have to be. You should have plenty of time to get this done before you leave. Raise your hand if you have any questions. Ladies, call or email. You can turn that off.